Sabi ng mga marites, hindi daw ako magkakabahay ng ganito kung hindi ako nakapag-asawa ng kano. Aww.
God gave me you to show me what's real, and there's more to life than just how I feel, and all that I'm worth is right before my eyes, and all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. God gave me you.
Gawa na tayo ng video ng house. Kasi mga some friend of Robert, they asked about the house update. Kasi yung una kong ginawang video, mga picture lang na in-slide nung ginagawa, start ng paggawa. So habang nandito kami, I'm gonna make a video, trying my best to make it nice. So, gawa tayo na. Hi! Hello guys! Welcome po sa ating welcome to our house here in the Philippines. So, today, I need to finish the video, house tour ng ating house para ma-share natin po sa mga kaibigan natin nagre-request kung ano na yung update daw ng house. Lalo sa mga friends po ni Robert doon sa US. So, gusto nilang makita. They wanna see what the update. So, tara guys, pasok tayo sa aming tahanan. Main door tayo. Dito tayo sa main door. Like this. Charan! Messy pa talaga messy guys. Sorry for the mess. Guys, so ganito lang pa lang siya sa sa loob, sa baba. For the meantime, kasi wala pa sa ayos. Ganito lang muna siya. Here is the living area. Messy. Here's the area of the kitchen. A lot of mess. Kitchen. Ito ang kitchen namin here. Small. Oh, say it. This is the kitchen. Dirty kitchen.
Never go out of this door.
Ulam natin. String beans, pinakbet. Okay, here is the first bedroom. Ayan, this is the first bedroom. Small bedroom. Maliit lang siya na room. Okay. Small first bedroom. Here in the first floor, we have only one room. And here is the bathroom. Here, downstairs. Ito yung bathroom. Charang, ganyan lang siya guys. Here is the Filipino bathroom. No bathtub. Ayan. We're gonna go upstairs to see the other bedroom. Let's go. Punta tayo sa taas.
That's right.
Will you say it? Oh. Dahan-dahan lang.
We're going upstairs with my friend Nyang.
Oh, yoyong too? No, baka mahulog. Oh, be careful.
Careful, Nyang.
Oh, ito mga guys, mga kasama ko to take the tour.
Almost there, Nyang.
House tour. Oh, be careful. Dahan-dahan. Don't go there. Oh, we're gonna show here. Here guys is the ito yung race ba yun? Yung gagawin na shed ng garage is not finished yet. That's why like this. It's still danger for kids not to go there.
It's really dangerous, but I go there at nighttime up here.
So, inopen nila tong door kasi sobrang init dito sa taas. So, here's the hallway. Here's the three. We have 3 more bedrooms here. So, here is the other. Guys, pasok tayo the other bedroom.
This is the other bedroom.
Open it.
Welcome.
Tadan! Oh, ayos ko na siya na konti. Oh.
This is Tita Elvie's room. And Tita Mills and Evander's. Evander used a big teddy. They found a big teddy and they use it as Evander's pillow. Yeah.
Nice bed.
Yep. But Evander for now, that's his pillow. That's both of the parents, or this could be Evander's pillow.
Alright, this is my sister bedroom.
Yep, and they have the good room.
Here and the Tita Elvie bedroom.
And Mills and Evander.
Ayan. There's the view. A lot of
This is recommended
coconut trees.
And it's very recommended to stop your kids from doing this.
You can see more. I'm gonna zoom. There. Mountains view out there. Far, far away.
But I can't see it.
It's cloudy, so.
To make you...
Okay, we're gonna go the other next. Third bedroom.
Just wait. I'm gonna...
Let's go to the third bedroom. Okay, open, Robbie. Please open.
Don't open it too much because there's a fan right here.
Alright, this is
Because if you
Tito
open it a
Jerby.
bit too much,
My
it'll
brother
make big.
bedroom. Tito Jerby bedroom.
Oh, Mommy, can you move? Somebody move for me.
Ayan.
This is Young. He's testing it.
Ayan. Ito mga
This
kasama ko. House tour.
Look, he's testing it out.
You like it? Gusto mo gawin Yoyang? Here is not finished bathroom. It's not finished yet. Hindi pa
It's
siya
kind of used
tapos.
like storage here because this was in
Come on, get out. It's too dark.
that stuff. That
It's not finished yet, that
if you see
bathroom.
that kind of golden stuff, that is the stuff that wasn't in at Elvie's room, but it just kind of claw.
Okay, sarado. We're gonna
But
close.
but they put,
Just close like that. No handle yet.
Yeah,
It's not
you
finished. Here is the master bedroom. Please open, Robbie. So, we're gonna go. Ito yung master bedroom.
this bed, there was a bed right here.
This is our bed. Me and Casey.
It's new.
And then this is Robbie bed. So this is Robbie bed. And Casey here. Ayan, this. We don't have any blinds yet. I'm planning to put blinds. I don't want curtain anymore. Plan ko, blinds na lang ang ilalagay. Wag nang mag-curtain-curtain. Para walang laba-labahin. This has a nice view of lot of trees, green surroundings. Ayan. Ayan. Oh. Hey, Cassie. Okay. Ayan. Ito guys, ang master bedroom. May ano siya, may sariling bathroom but is not finished yet. Ginawa mo na siyang storage. Makalat guys. GG. Storage muna siya. Ayan, oh. Ano yan? Bathroom. To be in the future. Wala pa tayong budget. Kulang. Kailangan mo nang mag-ipon. And then, sorry sa mga nakalat, lot of stuff here. Mga gamit-gamit. Ayan, guys. Oh, here. And ito, balcony. Here's the balcony. And naglagay sila ng duyan-duyan, hammock. Buksan natin. And there's the view.
That's a big hole. And this is a big hole. Because Cedar Roxy said some big random guy sat on this hole.
Yeah, you need to
Sat right here and broke
buy
this
a
hole.
new one. Oh, and then, ito, oh, nagwalis-walis pa tayo.
This was Cedar Roxy's.
Maglinis.
This was Cedar Roxy's mom's hammock. Her mom. So.
Here it is. What is that?
This is my little toy I made with the Legos. I created this to be an airplane because I like airplanes. Like, I sometimes can sleep on this.
You have a separate bed there.
Yeah, just in case I want to sleep on it.
Ayan, ito yan guys. Medyo okay siya. I like it. Tawag doon. This is the master bedroom. Kaya big. The biggest bedroom.
Would you please turn on?
Space, I think we're gonna put like a sofa, a couch. Yeah. Because it's nice to be placed or the relaxing and then watch TV.
One day. Like there's gonna be a sofa that can do that and covering that. Then right here. It's about that big. This big.
Center table.
And then there's gonna be a TV on there. And then at this couch where you're gonna sit, there's gonna be a table right there.
In the future, we're gonna make more money. Gonna save more money.
Table right here.
We're gonna need, mommy need to work and save.
At this view, you can see that, those fruits, and then that's the water pump down there.
The shed of water.
Yeah, and that.
All the trees
Oh,
in
and
front.
if you see that person over there, that is Enong's. That's Enong's brother.
View of a lot of trees.
It's a nice view. You can see the Kgwd.
Oh, where's the Kgwd?
Right there. But just over here, this is the roof. And you can see that. That accidentally got stuck there by accident.
Oh, your
By a pretty
badminton.
yeah, by a pretty strong whack it got up there.
Shuttlecock.
Yeah, the shadow cat. I used to like playing with it. I still do it with the plastic one.
Okay, that's enough for the video of our bedroom, master bedroom of this house. Okay, labas na tayo. There's stairs. Okay, we're done here at the second floor. Sa taas, baba na tayo. Baba na. Ayan guys, ang bahay namin. Wala pa siyang pintura. Ang dami pang hindi tapos.
Sabi ng mga marites, hindi daw ako magkakabahay ng ganito kung hindi ako nakapag-asawa ng kano. Kung ganyan man sila mag-isip, basta ako, ang lahat ng ito ay biyaya ng Panginoon. Lahat ng mayroon ako ngayon, pinapasalamat ko sa ating Panginoon dahil ipinagkakaloob niya ang mga biyayang ito sa akin. Salamat kay Lord kasi binigyan niya ako ng kalakasan upang makapagtrabaho sa Amerika. Lumaki ako sa hirap kahit pagdating ko sa Amerika, hindi ako namimili ng mga anumang trabaho. Tagalinis dyan, ng hotel, pinasok ko yung unang-una kong trabaho noon. Tapos, nakapasok ako, nag-work ako sa Walmart. Hindi rin po biro ang mga trabaho doon. So, tiniis ko yung pagtrabaho upang makapag-ipon. At yan nga po, yung mga naipong pera, unti-unti, nakapagpatayo ako ng bahay para sa family ko here in Philippines. Yung pera po, hindi po yan lahat ang gagaling sa mister ko. Kasi tinuturuan din tayo na hindi lamang magdepende sa ibang tao, kundi pagtrabahuan din po natin.